guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing orange chili salmon. To get started, I already prepped and washed my salmon, and I'll be using some soy sauce, black pepper, sason, orange marmalade. I have some brown sugar, some orange juice, a little bit of oil, and I have my chilies here. For the seasoning, I'll be using some Old Bay seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, some black pepper, garlic, and onion powder. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and just combine the seasonings so that they can be easily distributed onto the salmon. Once we're done, we will add a little oil just to help the seasoning to adhere. And then we will go in and generously coat the salmon with the seasonings. Once we're done, we'll let it sit for about 10 minutes. Next to my skillet, I will add a bit of oil here, and then we will add the salmon. We will sear the salmon on both sides. You don't have to cook them all the way through now because we'll cook them a little more inside of our orange glaze. And you want to make sure you're being super gentle because you know salmon, it's easy to break apart and we want to keep them intact. So be very gentle when you're flipping them. Now to the same skillet, we will add a bit of oil, and then we will go in with some garlic and ginger. We'll also add some butter, mix that real well and allow it to go for about a minute or so before we deglaze the pan with some orange juice. Once the orange juice is added, we will begin to add the rest of our ingredients. Mix well and allow those to come up to a simmer before we thicken it with some cornstarch. Now you can allow this to reduce and it will thicken on its own, but the reason I don't like to do that is once you let it reduce, then you get rid of most of the glaze. And you know, I like my stuff to be saucy and juicy, so I like to keep the glaze by adding some cornstarch to thicken. Once it thickens up, we will add our salmon back in here and allow them to go for about a minute or two just to, you know, give them time to cook through. And yeah, that's basically it. The recipe is so simple, but yet absolutely delicious. Like the orange flavor was so pungent in here. It was so strong, and that's what you want when you are making any kind of fish or seafood. You know, that tangy, you know, citrus, it always goes well. As you can see, I've added some fresh parsley for a pop of color and brightness. And yeah, I served it up with some carrot rice and a fresh salad, and it was absolutely amazing. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all the ingredients I use down in my description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.